Hello guys, welcome back to part 3 of this tutorial series where I am discussing about the secret tool that is changing the life of affiliate marketers. Now, in the previous video, we saw the introduction to the secret tool, which is called Opt-in Dojo. And in this particular video, we are going to discuss about the setups for the secret tool and the entire automation process, which is going to be set up once and run it forever. So you can see we are going to do the funnel creation. Now here in Opt-in Dojo doesn't mean the same funnel which you see in landing page builders like ClickFunnels or Leadpages. That is a sales funnel, but here the funnel means the steps you're going to take and interconnect your Opt-in Dojo account with affiliate marketplace, the Leadpages funnel builder, and also your email autoresponder. So that is what is called as funnel in Opt-in Dojo. So next we will see the tracking your funnel leads, affiliate offers, tracking the sales, and integrating with your email autoresponder, and then tracking your emails, creating a traffic source, and also creating your own tracking link to be provided to your solo ad vendor. Now, if you've not got your Opt-in Dojo tracking tool, then you can always check out my affiliate link in the description box below, and you can sign up for the tool using that affiliate link, and it is not going to cost you anything extra. It will just incentivize me to provide more valuable content to you. Now let's get straight to Opt-in Dojo and start creating a funnel. Now this is the dashboard of Opt-in Dojo, and you can see there are different tabs like tracking links, funnels, traffic sources, custom domains, and tools. Now first we need to create a funnel. Now go and click on this funnels tab, and over here you can see some of my funnels that I have created. You can click on add a new funnel, and here you can just name it as something YouTube funnel. This is the custom tracking domain. You just don't need to do anything on that. And under this you have this your opt-in pages, your bridge pages, your affiliate or own offers, and event managers. Now everything matters in this section except for bridge pages. In some cases you might need bridge pages, in some cases you might not need bridge pages, but these three are very important when it comes to the basic setup. Under the opt-in pages, now we have to provide the default destinations. Whenever a subscriber tries to opt in, which page do they need to go? Now that is going to be your squeeze page or opt-in page. Now you have to go back to your funnel builder, which is Leadpages. Now this is the Leadpages account, and you can see some of the landing pages that I have created. Now if you want to learn more about how to build the landing pages using Leadpages, then you can always check out the video on top of your screen. Now when you go to the right, you can see this actions button over here, and you can click on this and click on the publish options and copy this link. Now so this is going to be the link of that particular squeeze page. Now copy that and go back to your funnel settings and paste over here, and here the link name you can say it as squeeze page, something like that, and the default speed will be 5. It's fine, you don't need to change that. And when you come down, you can see this already subscribed URL and unsubscribed URL, and I will discuss about this later. And you can click on the save funnel over here. So once it is saved, under the funnel setup, you will see this HTML script and new lead redirect. Now what is this HTML script and new lead redirect? Now HTML script is the one that has to be added to your squeeze page head section tracking code. So you just need to copy this HTML script and go back to your lead pages and click on done. And under this squeeze page which you're trying to integrate, you can click on this edit button over here. Now this is the squeeze page, and under this you have to go to the settings tab, and under the analytics you can just paste over here the head section tracking code. So once done, I'm not going to save it because it is already there and available. So you can just add and click on the save button over here. After that, you have this new lead redirect. Now what is this new lead redirect? Lead that comes into your squeeze page enters the name and also the email ID. They will click on the button, right? Where do they need to go in the next step of this funnel? Now this Opt-in Dojo link will tell where it should be taken, whether to a particular affiliate offer. So you can just copy this link over here and go back to Leadpages, and under this you can click on this edit integrations. So here you can see integrations, fields, and actions. Now go to the actions button over here, and here the send the visitor to external URL, and you can paste that URL over here. So once the subscriber comes in and clicks this button, he will be taken to this particular link. So after that, you can click on save and close. I'm not going to do save and close, so I'm just going to close it. And whenever you do anything changes, you can always click on this update button and click on this back button. So once you copy and paste this HTML script and newly redirect, that integration is done with your funnel building software. And you can always click on this save funnel and you can close it. So here you can see this YouTube funnel which has been created. So the next step in our setup of this Opt-in Dojo tool is to integrate your Opt-in Dojo tool with the affiliate marketplace. It can be either ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Explodely, or Digistore. So let me show you how to do that. So open this YouTube funnel and go to this your affiliate or own offers. So it can be your own offer if you're a product owner, or if you are an affiliate only, then you can enter the affiliate offers URL. So when you scroll down, you can click on this add link under the default destinations. So the rotator name is default rotator. Now here in this default destinations, you can enter the affiliate link. Now go to Warrior Plus in this case, and I'm going to show you how to use the URL from Warrior Plus to enter into Opt-in Dojo. So I'm just going to use one of this offer, auto affiliate AI, and I'm just going to click on this get link. And over here, I'm just going to copy this link and go back to your Opt-in Dojo and paste the link over here. And I'm just going to enter it as auto affiliate AI. And here, once done, the default speed will be 5. Click on track conversions. Now, why do we need to click on this track conversions? So once a sale or you have earned a commission, the particular offer marketplace like Warrior Plus, Digistore, ClickBank, Explodely will send an email notification to you. So you can just click on this and then select the marketplace. Here it is Warrior Plus. And here you need to copy this webhook IPN URL. Copy this and go back to your affiliate marketplace, which is Warrior Plus, and just paste it over here. That's it. That simple it is. And click on save button over here. So once saved, and you can go back here, and again you can just come down and click on the save funnel place. Now you have integrated Opt-in Dojo with your affiliate marketplace, and here you can see this already subscribed URL and unsubscribed URL. What is this? Already subscribed URL is something when a lead who has already opted into your squeeze page, and whenever he tries to opt in again to your squeeze page, now you can take them directly to your affiliate offers. You can take them to the same offer, or if you want, you can take them to a different offer. So I'm just going to copy any offer here, $5 profit funnels. I'm just going to copy this affiliate URL. So I'm just going to paste it here. Now unsubscribe URL is something that whenever a lead is trying to unsubscribe from your email list, you can channel them to a particular backend offer, maybe a high ticket offer, in order to see if you can get some backend sales. And once done, you can click on the save. Now, next is we have to integrate your Opt-in Dojo tool with your email autoresponder, which is the most important one. And here in this case, I'm going to use Aweber, which is giving great deliverability. Now, if you want to sign up for Aweber, you can always check out the link in the description box below. So under the same funnel, which is the YouTube funnel which you have created, you have this tab called email tracking setup. Now click on this email tracking setup and you have to select your autoresponder. Now in this case it is Aweber. I'm just going to select it as Aweber, and here you have this email opens, email links, email editor, and sneaky redirects. Now the only two things that matter are email opens and email links. Now email opens is a email open tracking pixel, and email links is the affiliate link that is going to be used in your email body content. In the email opens, you have this email open tracking for an automated follow-up sequence and email open tracking for a broadcast email. So you can use this for a broadcast email, and you can use this for a automated email. So for the broadcast, I'm just going to change the name over here using the offer name. So auto affiliate AI, something like that. And you can click on this get pixel. So here you get the pixel. You can insert this pixel, copy it over here, clicking on this, and go back to your Aweber account. This is my newer Aweber account, and you can go to your drafts, any email and the drafts, click on that. open it. So I've already created a draft email, and what I need to do is that, so you can just click on anywhere inside this email body content, and you can go to this right corner, show more items, and here you can click on this source code. And here what you need to do is that you can just enter it at the bottom. You can enter this open tracking pixel. So I'm just going to enter it somewhere over here, and this is going to be the open tracking pixel, and you can click on OK. So now, having inserted the broadcast email open tracking pixel, in the similar way you can also create your own email automation get pixels. You can just enter the number of automations that you have. Like for 30 days, you can just click on enter 30 days and get pixel. You will get separate pixel for each day. Now you have to go for your email links. Click on email links, and it is already pick an offer from rotator. Let it be pick an offer from rotator always. And you can double click on this, copy this. This is going to be the affiliate link. So go back to Aweber and highlight the sentence over here and click on this edit button and paste your affiliate link. And once it is correct URL, it will show you the green tick, and click on save. Now we have seen how to enter the email open tracking pixel in your Aweber account, and at the same time how to insert the Opt-in Dojo tracking pixel for affiliate links. So next I'm going to show you the most important thing, which is moving your leads from one list to another, which is the buyers list. So we are going to move the leads once they have purchased from your raw list to the buyer's email list. So let's see how to do that. So once again, coming back to the same funnel setup, click on the funnel setup, and when you scroll down over here, you can see this event manager. So under this event manager, you have to add event. Now click on add event, and when you scroll down, you can choose an event. So a lead subscribes, a lead makes a purchase. So this is going to be the one. So whenever a lead makes a purchase on any offer from any rotator, let it be the same. Then choose an action. So we are going to move the lead to another list. So click on autoresponder, move lead to another list here, and you can select the integration source. So what is going to be integrated? Now here you have to select the autoresponder. So in this case, it is Aweber. So I'm just going to select Aweber, and here you can see this my Aweber connection, and select the source list. So I'm just going to select my source list, which is going to be the Google Leads, which is the raw list for me, and the target list will be buyers list C. So I'm just moving my lead whenever purchases from this list, he will be automatically moved to this buyers list C. Now, if you are new, then this will not appear for you. So you have to click on this connect new account, and under this you can click on this click to authorize access to Aweber, and there will be a code appearing over there in Aweber, and you can copy that code and paste it over here and click on save connection. So this is how you connect a new account, which is Aweber with Opt-in Dojo. So after that, you can click on this close button. So here, after doing all those stuff, please always save the funnel. Coming to the final step of this entire setup for Opt-in Dojo, where we are going to create a traffic source. Now this traffic source can be solo ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, Bing ads, anything. Now particularly for this video, we are going to concentrate on solo ads. And next is creating a tracking link. Now this tracking link is going to be the one which we are going to give it to the solo ad vendor for tracking purpose. So coming back to Opt-in Dojo, go to traffic sources. Now here you can see some of the traffic sources that I have created. Now let me create a new traffic source, add a new traffic source. Here I'm going to give it as Traffic Blade, and I'm just going to click on save traffic source, click on close. Now you can see this traffic source created. Yeah, here you can see it as Traffic Blade. Now go to the tracking links, and now under the tracking links, click on add new tracking link. Now the funnel, you have to select it as YouTube funnel, which we have created just now, and traffic source Traffic Blade. So he's going to be the solo ad vendor from where I'm going to buy the solo ads. And if it is a solo ad, turn this on. This is a solo ad, and here I'm just going to get around 1000 clicks. And cost is you can enter the cost over here, something like that, and you can click on save tracking link. Now you get this tracking URL. Copy this tracking URL and give it to the solo ad vendors. So we have seen the entire setup of this Opt-in Dojo secret tracking tool. And in order for Opt-in Dojo to work perfectly well, you always need to create a tracking link, and you have to give this tracking link to your solo ad vendor. And once the lead enters from the squeeze page, from there Opt-in Dojo tracks through everything: your funnels, your offers, your event managers, and it integrates seamlessly well with all your affiliate marketplaces, your funnel builder software, your autoresponder, and it will help you in making more money in the long term and ultimately building your buyers list. I hope you got real value out of this entire training tutorial series and you understand the real value of building those buyers email list, which is of paramount importance in order to succeed online. So please hit the like button below if you really like this video. Also, please put your doubts in the comment section and I will surely try to answer as soon as possible. So with that, let's meet in another video. Until then, bye.